and you do. So for the leap year, first statement what to write for the C program? What is the first statement to write?
The int.
Hmm?
Int.
First statement is int in C program.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Now, has include. Which one you have to write?
But
Huh?
you have to find the variable.
Yeah.
You have to define the variables.
First you define header file. Has include
Oh, okay.
io.h.
Okay.
Then you have to define main method. Then you have to check that you have to enter a year and check whether that year is a leap year or not. For checking that the year is a leap year or not, in first year is in which type? It is numeric or string?
Numeric.
Numeric. For defining a numeric data type. For defining numeric, which data type is used?
Int.
Yes, so we define int year. Then for display the user to enter the year, what to write here? For display anything on the screen, what to write?
I'm not sure.
Hmm?
I'm not sure.
What display the data? Display on the screen.
Oh, print f.
Yes. Concentrate. Printf. Printf. Then we have to write enter the year. Then we go for scanf. Scanf. percentile D, then ampersand year for accepting the input. Now you have to check for condition. What condition we have to define? This is showing you this is not leap year. I enter a year. Suppose I am passing here 1900. So it's showing you 1900 is not a leap year. Now check for the condition. What condition you have to define? What is leap year? Tell me what is leap year?
A year that comes every 4 years.
The year?
Year that comes every 4 years.
That comes?
Every 4 years.
You write it in chat box. What you want to say? I'm not.
No, it's a year that comes every 4 years. Every 4 years, leap year comes.
No, the year that contain the 366 days, that is called as the leap year. So after every 4 year, it not having a leap year. Okay, so maybe after 4 years, when the year will come, it not contain the 366 days. Which year contain the 366 days? So that is called as the leap year. Okay, so normally in a year, how many days are there? How many days are present in a year?
365.
365. Now, if it is contain the 366, then it is called as what? Your leap year. Now check here. INT year, enter the year, then scanf. So we are passing a year value here. Year modulo 4 is equals to 0, and year modulo 100 is not. See that what the condition we are going to follow. So first it is one condition. Check here. Hmm. It is one condition. Next is it is another condition. Check. I just break down it. We're passing a year modulo 4 is equals to 0. So when we divide the year with 4 is equals to 0, or the year modulo 100 is not equals to 0. Suppose 1900, as you say that when the year comes in every 4 years, that is called as a leap year. That means it is divisible by 4. So if you check in calculator, I will display here. In calculator, suppose I find here 1900 is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. But here we are passing 1900, it is showing you it is not a leap year. Why? But it is doesn't contain the 66 days. Now see that, enter a year modulo 4 is equals to 0. Okay, year modulo 4 is equals to 0. Yes, when you divide 1900 with 100, when you divide 1900 with 100, your remainder is 0. Your remainder is not equals to, your remainder is 0. So when you divide 1900 with 100, your remainder is 0. But here the condition is saying that when you divide a year with 100, if that remainder is not 0, and when you divide the year with 400, your remainder is 0, then it is called as a leap year. So now see that here, when you divide the 1900 with 4, 1900 with 4, it is divisible. So it is divisible. So that it return you what? So here it return you here it is return you true. Now what happened? The 1900 modulo 100 is not equals to 0. No, if you divide the 1900 with 100, it is completely divisible. So it is asking you what? So divide the year with 100, and if your remainder is 0, then it counts as leap year. So here your condition is false. So true, then here we get false. So here we are using AND operator. So true, false, it is written you false. So here we get the false in this condition. In next condition is what happened? Here we are using OR operator. It is AND operator, here OR operator. Year modulo 400, year modulo 400, year modulo 400 is equals to 0. So when you divide the year with 400 is 0. Then here also it is not divisible. So here it gives you false. So that means what? That means
Um,
false, false or operator false. It gives you false. That means it is a not a leap year. So 1900 is not a leap year. Understood this logic, or I will again repeat?
can you again repeat, please?
So leap year is saying that it is not like only if you divide the year with 4, if it is divisible, then it is called as a leap year. It is not like that. Some of the year is present which is completely divisible by 4, but it is not a leap year. So how to check it? Like 1900. So 1900 is not a leap year, as because
Uh-huh.
it contains the 366 days. Then how you have to check the proper condition whether the year is a leap year or not? So that we are using this condition. The first, it is a one set of condition. One set of condition, it's saying that, like, first you divide the year with 4, your remainder is 0. So when you divide 1900 with 4, it gives you the complete, gives you the whole number. That means it is divisible by 4. So now my condition here, it is true. So it is showing you the true here. So this part is true.
Oh,
And year modulo 100 is not equals to 0. Year modulo 100, when you divide a year with 100, is not equals to 0. It is not equals to 0 because when you divide a 1900 with 100, it is completely divisible. But the condition is saying that what? You have to check one value which is not divisible by 100. Okay. So 1900 is completely divisible by 100. Okay. So that this part becomes false. So here it becomes false. So now here it becomes false. So true, false, we are using what? And operator. True, false is false in the and operator. And operator is saying that if both the condition are true, it is return the true value. But here one condition is true, another is false, so it is return you false. So this part is giving you false. Now 1900 modulo 400 is equals to 0. So if you divide 1900 divisible by 4, sorry, 1900 divisible by 400, then it is not giving you the whole number, it is giving you fractional value. That means it is not completely divisible by 400. That means this condition is also false. Now false or symbol false, false or false, it is written you false. The or condition is saying that if any one condition is true, then it is written you true. If both the condition are false, it is written you false. So here both the condition are false, false and false, it is written you false. So it's saying that 1900 is not a leap year. Understood?
yes,
Have you remembered this code?
yes.
So I will give you it. Now you do the one practice. So yesterday I
Ah,
have given how to um, find out the even or odd number. Okay, then you do it. Share your screen and do it. Even or odd number, simple one. Share your screen and do it.
I don't know how to even or odd.
What is a even number?
A number that is divisible by 2.
Yes, so you have to give that logic with the if and else condition. Then yesterday I have show you that part. Do it. Share your screen.
Oh, 1 second.
Share
I
your
did share
screen.
my screen. I did. Oh wait, no. 1 second.
Then write even or odd number.
Hello? Are you
What?
ready?
Write fast. Fast. What to write?
So
Fast.
first we have to write main. First we have 1 second, let me see. First we have to write
You have to manually write. Why you copy it so that you are not able to remember? Write by your own. Type it. Don't copy.
oh
Type.
okay.
Type it.
Okay, go.
Don't copy it. It gives you problem here. It is a exe file. Click on
I didn't
untitled
copy
one.
it.
Click on untitled one.
What is it? It's okay. Wait. 1 second, I will do something. Like this?
No, you have to create another file. It is not a correct one. Create a new
Why?
file. Create a new file.
Why is this not a correct one?
It is a exe file, executable file. Here it gives you the output. So it is not a C file. You have to create a new file. File, new.
Can you see this? The interior? Can you see the program?
Which one?
Can you see that? Can you see that I'm sharing the okay wait. I just have 1 second. So wait 1 second. Oh, complicated.
First line is
Wait, what does this say? Can you see this?
it is not visible anything. All right.
So what do you see? Tell me.
It is showing you one only.
Oh, okay, let me do stop share. Screen share and then okay, good. Okay, can you type it now? Can you see that M?
Yes.
Good.
Why you copy?
Not copy.
You cannot do copy paste. Write it manually.
I'm not copying. I'm seeing. Where did it go?
You click on sample file, new project, on title one. Click on title one. Right
Here
here,
you go.
right here, manually. Don't copy paste. Right.
I'm not gonna copy.
Right. Has include. Right. Everything you have to write so that you remember. Include. Right. Include. CLU. Then has include. Then what to write? Then has include.
I'm not sure.
Has include. Then then
Then I'm not sure.
why you are not sure? Remember it, baby. Check your WhatsApp. What were written? Has include.
Wait, 1 second. So, hash include. My WhatsApp will not open. Wait, let me look in the small detail.
Go to then multiply number.cs. Open that file. What we have written. Check. Yes. stdio. Yes. An end. Okay. Then comes to after that what to write? It is a head of program. It is called as a header. Then you have to write a heart of program. Which one is heart of program?
Just int main.
Yes. Int main or void main. Okay, right. Yes, then right.
Or not. It's like this.
Start curly bracket, start curly bracket, end. Curly bracket. You are giving a fast bracket.
What's curly bracket again?
Hmm? You don't know curly bracket?
Oh, I don't.
Huh?
No, I don't. Oh wait, is it this one?
Yes. Excuse me.
Yeah. I'm not sure. So wait, so enter.
Yes. Only one number. First find. I am given what? Find out even or odd number, no?
Yeah, you have two numbers.
Hmm?
I give two numbers.
No, why two number is required?
I'm so confused.
Only one number.
Mhm. Only one number.
Remove second. SEC not required.
Wait, why not?
Yes, one is required.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, how do we're comparing two numbers, right? That means two very cool, right?
I just asking for what? I just asking you have to take only one number and check whether it is prime or not. Then you are taking
Oh, I thought you meant.
the even or odd. You have to find out the even or odd. Give semicolon, go to the next line. Be first.
Oh, I forgot about the semicolon.
Yes.
And then,
Then for checking condition, which thing is used?
for checking condition, I'm not sure.
You know it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you know it. Just think.
Scanf.
For condition checking, which construct is used?
Scanf percentage.
For checking condition, which construct is used?
I don't know.
If every time you are saying, "Well, I don't know," you know all the thing.
I
Why you are
don't know.
surrendered?
I don't know
Why,
if.
why you are surrendering? Huh?
I don't know if. I forgot if.
You know it. If condition you write. Ladies are not surrendered. Huh? You are ladies or baby now? Huh? Sri? Right? If condition.
How?
If, if. Well,
So we just write if.
see there. We are just doing a program, one program that is take the two number and find out which one is the greater. The similar way you have to pass here. You if yes, see there who is written here. You are written. You know it, but you are just surrender before writing. I don't know.
That's not true. I didn't know, but
if,
I forgot.
if you asking
And
for
then
food,
I remember.
if you asking for food to mom, and your mom saying say that I don't know cooking, then what to do? So don't say every time I don't know. So I will try. Okay, I will do. Clear?
Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Like, what if your mom doesn't know or something? What did you say?
Uh-huh. If your mom is saying, if you are asking for food, come mom give me food. I am hungry. Yeah, mom is denying. I don't know. Uh, I'm not sure. Then you are in the hungry mood. Okay, so mom is doing something, is preparing some food if that food is not available. Okay, he is trying to give some kind of other flavor of food. Okay, so similar way. Okay, so in any tax, when you are any tax is to be given to you, okay, don't say like first I don't know. Try it. When you try it, then it will be happen. Okay, you know how to for riding bicycle.
I did try. I said scan F, but scan F wasn't right, so I did try right.
Yes. So while you are what fast you are ride the cycle, then you are fall off, then again you ride, then fall off, then ride. The same thing is happen in the program. Okay,
No,
so
I didn't fall.
then fast
I
you
didn't
ride. Okay,
fall.
if first FIR, what to use? First tell me how to check the even number. What is the formula?
For checking the even number, divide by 2.
Yes, divide by 2. So your then after int first you are defining a variable, then you have to take the input from user. For taking the input from user, what to write? Printf statement you have to write. You have not written printf. So after int fir, write printf statement to accept the input and store that in the variable. Okay,
What do you mean?
you have defined int for fir. Okay, then you have to ask the user. Okay, or you ask to the person that you have to enter a number, and I will check whether it is a prime number or whether it is a even number or number. For display anything, have you written anything here? You are not writing printf statement. After intfi you have written any thing to display the user? Have you written?
No,
Hello.
no, I didn't. Right? Yes, hello. Hello, guys. Hello.
Ah, right,
Hello.
right. Int first, after that, write printf, enter a number. After intfir, write printf, enter a number. Just stop sharing, then I will show you. Okay, so remember it. Tomorrow I will take that thing. Okay, stop
This
sharing.
is so hard.
You have to
This is so
remember.
hard.
Okay,
No. Why?
Open your camera.
No, it looks bad.
Huh?
Looks bad background. No, my brother's in the background. He's looking so weird. He's looking so weird.
What you are saying? Say loudly.
My brother is in the background. He's looking so weird.
Okay. So int num. I define a variable int num. Then I'm giving you tags what for taking the number and check whether it is a even or odd number. Printf enter a number in percentile ampersand num. Then we are using if. Always you have to take the input from user. For taking the input first you have to use printf, enter a number, then scanf, you have to accept the number, then you have to check a condition. If the num modulo 2 num modulo 2 is equals to 0, num modulo 2 is equals to 0, then it is showing you in printf the number is even or else the number is odd. Suppose we enter a number 806. So the number is even, it is divisible by 2. This showing you the number is odd. even or odd number program I have given you.
Okay.
Then is we are defining switch case. Switch case program. Switch case is what? You have to take a input from user and check with the multiple condition. Okay, like you are going to the restaurant and you are what want burger. Okay, so you have to search from the menu whether the particular burger is available or not. So till you are not getting your burger or you are not finding your desired item from the list, you are searching it. Then once you got your item, then you stop your searching. So that is called as what? Switch case. Switch case that you have to accept the input from the user and search it from a list. If the thing that you are searching for, if it is match, then there is no need to go for search again. Okay, so then suppose INTA, then
Excuse me.
yes,
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
okay.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, bye. One second, I'll be right back. Hello, sorry, I'm back. One second. Okay, hello? What are you doing?
So see that here we are using switch statement. Switch statement is used when you are, what are the value you are given, so it is searching that value in the multiple case statement. Case statement means it is a option statement. That is, we are passing a. So what are the value I have given here? It will search the value in the option statement. If the value you are given, if it is matched with the 100, then it is showing you century. Then it's showing you break here. Then case 200. Okay, so the value that we are given, it is matched with the case statement. So if it is matched with any case statement, so there is then we're using default. Default means like see that case. I have taken the three statement, case three. Then printf it is showing you double. Then triple century. Then break. Then if your value is not matched with any case statement, then the default statement is appears here. Default. Hello. Are you there? Hello.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute for some reason. Hello, I was saying hello and hello and hello.
Here we're using the switch case statement. So here it is asking you to take 100, 200 and 300. We have to take the three value. Okay, then it is accept any value. Okay, so it is accept any value. Then we have take, suppose if you take as 100, if you take the value 100, then it will match with the case statement 100. Yes, it is match, then it is showing you century. If you pass 200, if it is it will check from with the 100, it is not match, then it is check with the 200, not match. 200 it is match, then it is showing you double century. If you pass 300, it is not match with century, double century, it is match with the triple century, and it's showing you triple century. If you pass any other value, so it is showing you invalid entry. Okay, like I run the file.
Okay.
Run it. Now I run the file. So enter a number. It is asking you 100, 200 or 300. Suppose if I pass here 300,
Hey, let's go. I'm sorry.
triple century. Okay, so we when we pass 300, triple century.
Okay.
Then when I pass any other value, suppose 600, if I pass here 600, it is showing you invalid entry. Okay, got it. So now it is asking for you any number. When you pass 100, 200, then 300, then it is showing you century, double century, and triple century. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
I will explain it. Suppose if any person is giving 100, so it is accept the 100. Now it is check here. Your option is match here 100 is, then it is showing you century. Then if any person is passing 200, then it is 200, it is match, then it is showing you double century. Then when I passing here 300, so if it is match, then it is showing you triple century. If you pass here any other value like 100, 200, 300 other value, then it is showing you invalid entry. Okay. Sri got it. So default is a statement if your no option has matched. Okay, if your no option has matched, then the default statement is execute. Okay, যদি মোর কোনসি option match, if your no option has matched, then your default statement is execute. Default statement is a last statement. Okay, for if any condition has not matched, like 100, 200, 300, it is instructing you to give 100, 200, 300. But apart from this, if you pass any other value, then it's a false statement. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the thing I have given? Remember it. So I have sent all this code to your WhatsApp also. Okay. Then you have to do a one program. It is a some tags that I have given you. If you have the time, then do it, or you have to practice it in your home. Okay. So if you have time, do it. Mm, enter number from 1 to 7 and show corresponding days like 1 Sunday. If you enter 1, then it is showing you Sunday. If you enter 7, it is showing you Saturday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this program you have to perform. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. So next class we will meet.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.